Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have absolutely beautiful conditions out there this morning, sunny skies and temperatures warming through the 60s. We will likely see our temperatures max out in the low 70s today and even warmer weather in store for us for later this week. Let's take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see high pressure over the eastern United States. We're going to see dry weather for much of the week this week, with that high pressure really controlling our weather and keeping things dry for us. Really, no major significant disturbances moving over the Wallops region. Could see a little bit of active weather by this weekend coming up, but really looks like a fairly quiet and warm uh, week for us overall for the next few days. Taking a look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, the winds generally out of an easterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, all the way up to around 9,000 feet. We see that easterly component very light, under 10 knots, and then seeing those winds turn northwesterly in direction and increasing up to that 25,000 foot level, where we see winds this morning at around 77 knots. Freezing level was at 7,400 feet. Taking a look at our visible satellite, you can see the cirrus cloudiness streaming over the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, and really that's all we're seeing as far as clouds go so far. Just that upper level cirrus at around 25,000 feet, and again that is pretty thin, so we will see plenty of sunshine being able to make it through those clouds as we go through the remainder of the day. Taking a look at our live cam off to the south this morning at Wallops Island, you can see those upper level clouds at about 25,000 feet over the Wallops area this morning, and abundant sunshine overall. And we will continue to see those sunny conditions and dry conditions throughout the remainder of the day. Looking at our forecast model and what we can expect as we go throughout the next several days this week. And you can see as we go into the afternoon, a little bit of shower activity off to our west in the western portions of Virginia, never really making it very far across the state. And we, as a result, will see dry conditions continuing through the nighttime hours tonight. You can see high pressure really settling right overhead of our area here at Wallops, and we are going to see some very light winds as a result as we go into the evening tonight. Seeing that lower level moisture and light winds combining to provide us with a chance of some patchy fog overnight tonight into the early morning hours of Tuesday. And we'll see mostly sunny skies for Tuesday, warmer conditions as we go through each day this week. So by the time we get to the end of the week, we'll look at temperatures in the 80s for daytime highs, and may even push close to 90 degrees as we get to the end of the work week and into the weekend. But as we'll sometimes see this time of year in the long term, it'll be kind of a little bit more difficult to see when we'll see more of an onshore flow as a result of some backdoor cold fronts. Some of the models are indicating we could see that this weekend, so a little bit of uncertainty as far as how warm the temperatures actually get as we go into Saturday and Sunday. But we will be fine tuning that forecast over the course of the next couple of days. As you see here on the model, really no hints of precipitation as we go through the work week all the way to Friday. It looks dry for us in the Saturday and Sunday. Could see a little bit of precipitation in the form of some isolated showers and thunderstorms. But right now, looking like nothing real significant for the weekend as well. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you can see really the only risk here on our hazardous weather chart is for those low cloud ceilings and reduced visibility for the possibility of some patchy fog. Otherwise, some benign weather in store for us over the next 24 hours, with winds fairly light as well, as we're camped under that area of high pressure. We'll see the high temperature today reach around 71 degrees overnight tonight, dropping to around 53 degrees under partly cloudy skies, with the exception of potentially some patchy fog early in the morning. As we go looking out to the next 7 days, you can see warmer weather in store for us. Each day gets a little warmer. Tuesday, a high of 74, Wednesday, a high of 80, and then Thursday, looking at a high of 85. So some very nice conditions overall this week, with abundant sunshine and those warm conditions. And again, this weekend could see the potential for some isolated showers and thunderstorms, but certainly not looking like an all-day rain event for each day. and we will be fine-tuning that forecast as we get closer to the weekend. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.